Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Irdina Nurbalakis, metric number 295286. So here I will be sharing about the Lab 2 assignments for the connection between ESP32, Firebase and also OLED display. Okay, just to go through very quickly about the coding here, we can straight away see the main setup where we see the hardware initialization of everything, the pin mode, serial begin, OLED display, okay. And then here is the most important part, which is the whole flow of how will be the coding will look like. Okay, the first one is read start Wi-Fi. Okay, the first thing they will do is to read if the ESP have any stored Wi-Fi inside. The SSID, the safe SSID, safe password, safe device ID, all those things will be stored in here. And then after they have read them, they will see the credential here. If the credential is true, means that if there is an SSID, if there is the stored Wi-Fi in there, they will go to Wi-Fi connect. They will see the Wi-Fi connection and then they will try to connect with the Firebase. If it's true, it will display the Firebase message. This is a very simple Firebase message, like welcome, something like that. And then they will launch the user UI. Here is where the user are able to reconfigure the SSID as well as to update the message in the OLED display. Okay, and if let's say none of these three are none of these two, which is there is no credential, cannot connect to the Wi-Fi, it will straight away go to the AP mode. Yeah. So here you can see the OLED display is currently showing welcome Firebase, means that the OLED display itself has stored Wi-Fi inside of it. Okay, so here I will also be connecting with the same Wi-Fi to make sure that I can access the website there. Okay, here is the endpoints, can copy and go here. Okay, here is the device manager login. The user here will be from the point of view where it is like a manager. Yeah, so they are the one who manage all the devices message, able to change the configuration. Yeah, so this is the user. Okay, so let's try something that is not inside of the database. Oh, okay, let's go to the database first. Okay, you can see here in the database we have three main things. Devices, hello, this is like the very basic. This welcome message is here. Yeah, the display Firebase message is welcome Firebase. Yeah, you can see in the OLED display also is currently showing the welcome Firebase. And then we have users, user ID and also password, and then devices, all the devices there. Yeah, and then message based on each device. Okay, we will try to key in something that is not inside of your database. Irdina, just Irdina. And then yeah, it will show login field. So we try again with the correct one. It will show welcome to device dashboard. So the user will have two choices: to update the device message or to reconfigure the Wi-Fi. So yeah, we will try to update the device message first. I will put it side by side with the real-time database there to see the changes directly. Okay, so let's say we choose device 101, show message. The message will be showing in the OLED display there. So the current message is accessing DKG6. You can see inside on the OLED display is also showing accessing DKG6. I will okay, yeah. So it will show like message and then the device number. And then yeah, here. Let's say if I change here to device 103, it will show ding, hello 103, message 103, accessing seminar hall. Yeah, seminar hall. Yes, it is seminar hall. So you can see here, it's also seminar hall. Okay, now let's try to update the message. Instead of accessing seminar hall, accessing lab 4. Okay, submit update. You can see here. Okay, yeah. Okay, so the database is changing that, accessing lab 4, and inside on the OLED display is also showing updated 103 to accessing lab 4. Okay, let's try to change another device 102. We try to update the message to Irdina here. Submit update. So you can see the real-time database is changing Irdina here. On the OLED display is also showing Irdina here. Yeah, updated 102 to Irdina here. Okay, yeah, so that is it. Okay, so that is for the updated message. Yeah, okay, so we try to reconfigure the Wi-Fi. Okay, yeah, so it's currently showing rebooting now. You can see it's showing the connection status, connecting Wi-Fi. Okay, so the connection is unable. You can see it's rebooting and there's none connection. So please wait for the blue lamp on the ESP. Okay, it's already light up. Connect to the ESP32 EEPROM. We change the connection here to EEPROM. Okay, change to EEPROM. Okay, then visit the following page. Okay, cool. So here, let's say I will just be using the same Wi-Fi here. Okay, bullet chicken, vagabond. Device ID can put on, and then save and reboot. Yeah, setting save successfully. You can see that connecting the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected. Connecting Firebase. Welcome Firebase. Means that we are able to connect to the Firebase. Yeah, this is also the same thing that is showing here. You can see the below part. Yeah, attempting to connect to bullet chicken, connected, starting web server started, endpoints. Yeah, okay, so we will try to access the previous one. Okay, connect to bullet chicken. Connect the device to bullet chicken. That make sure. Okay, zoom out a bit. Okay. So we go back here. Oh yeah, copy the endpoint. Okay, able. Try to log in. Yeah, so that's it. Again, try to update something. Where is the database? Okay, here. Let's choose device first. Okay. Device is showing, let's see, device 1. Show message. There. It's showing the device ID. Hello 102. Hello 10. Which one? 102. Yeah. Hello 102. Hello 102. Message 102. Irdina here. We will change, update the message to accessing seminar hall. Let's see. Submit. Yeah. So everything is all connected here. And yeah, that's all. So that would be most of it. The OLED display will show all the connection status. So say the connecting Wi-Fi, connect to database and everything. And the main add-on would be the authentication. Yeah. So the user login, if login fail, and login success. That's all from me. Thank you.